days shorten and nights grow longer. Cold waves and cold airs take turns sweeping through. Although the solar term minor snow or 小雪 may not bring snow, the deep chill signals the true arrival of winter, whether in the north or the south. Solitude, stillness. From this moment, yin and yang energies of heaven and earth no longer intertwine, each moving in its own direction. The natural world seems to lose its vitality. Yet, for true life, this is just a period of dormancy. The harshness sharpens life's understanding of eternity. Retrospect, reflection. Past struggles, like the ebb and flow of tides, have spread shimmering ripples. Alongside the wind, they sway towards the distance. This kind of dormancy can even last a little longer. Both stillness and movement are postures of gazing into the distance. Life exists in every moment and helps shape the mountains and rivers of the earth in the turn of seasons. Whether arriving or departing, satisfactory or lost, holding on or letting go, everything is part of the endless cycle of life. Minor snow ushers in the freezing season, but it is certainly not all life